Dear students, colleagues, and alumni, Christmas is the festival of light, and sometimes when we look into the light, it truly appears to us as white, but in fact it contains the full spectrum of colors. This is diversity in its purest form. It is remarkable to think of this today, when our understanding of light has become accepted science, that such knowledge once provoked suspicion, criticism, and even conflict. But resistance will never stop scientists in their search for the truth. And it is this search that is at the heart of a university. A university's mission is a noble one: to increase our knowledge, to defend the freedom of thought, and support research that sheds light on the world around us and makes it a better place. These duties that rest with us at the university have become increasingly urgent in the turbulent times we live in. When false statements are made deliberately, wars and conflict rage, and living standards are declining for many people, exaggerating the existing inequality between individuals and nations. In times like these, the need for knowledge is ever more pressing. Science calls for courage, the courage to ask difficult questions, to expose our weaknesses, and admit that on many issues we have a long way to go. But at the same time, research spurs us on to greater heights. Research is our path to a deeper understanding of the environment and the natural world, of humanity and society, of health, language, culture, and the areas that shape all of our lives. Science broadens the mind. It helps us understand diversity and shows us that white is not just white, but rather all the colors of the rainbow. In fact, research can help us mark the road to peace. For peace is based on our understanding of the light, on our humility in the face of the unknown, on knowledge and transparency, and on a refusal to deny the truth. A university that defends these values embraces diversity with an international outlook and nurtures academic freedom. It has a responsibility that extends far beyond its walls. Over this past year, you, dear students, faculty, and staff at the University of Iceland, have shown precisely these qualities: willingness to tackle complex issues, a determination to uncover new knowledge, and a commitment to building a society based on understanding rather than division. For this, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks. And now, as the festive season approaches, I urge you all to rest, to look at the light, not just the white, but all the beautiful colors shining all over the country. In the new year, we will continue to work towards the goals that matter most: increased understanding, a better future, and a better world. Change starts not with society as a whole, but in ourselves. I wish you all a merry festive season and a happy new year.